Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are fixing the annoying issue where your Steam games open up in a small window, borderless window, or won't go full screen. So you can just jump right into the solutions. For that, you can change in the in-game display settings. You can go over inside your game, for example, Roblox player, and inside your game you can go to your settings. For this game right here, you can access your settings, click on more, and go to your settings option and open it up. And open up the graphics and display section if that option is available, and you can just go over and set the display mode to full screen or resolution to your monitor's native resolution. You can just go over and do so. That is something you can do so, or you can press Alt plus enter on your keyboard directly, and that should also force any game to switch to full screen mode. And apart from that, if you want to go ahead and fix the scale and resolution in your windows, you can right click on your desktop. And once you right click on your desktop, go to display settings. And within display settings, you can go to the scale section and you can set this one right here to 100% or more than 100, 150 to 175, even more than that if there is any available. And you can set your resolution to your monitor's native resolution and restart the game. That should also likely do so. Apart from that, you can disable the game mode and full screen optimizations. So go to your settings for that. And once you go to your settings, go to gaming and open up your game settings. And from here, look out for game mode settings. And within here, you can just go over and turn this option on right here. That should optimize your PC for, giving you a high performance, and also turn up the variable refresh rate if it's on. You can just go over and do so and search for your graphic settings as well. If that is available, search for graphic settings, open it up, and you can turn on the graphic settings here. This one right here. So you can just go over and optimize this one right here, turn it on. And that's it. These of the steps should almost fix the Steam games not going full screen. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.